Hi, I'm Donnie Mercado. Welcome to Creator Tips with Donnie. I started this channel because I assist quite frequently with a YouTube class made up of nothing but actors. So today I'm going to show you how to start your very first or new YouTube channel on a Gmail address that does not yet have a channel. Let's dive in. So right here you see the icon of the Google Gmail that I am working on. So I'm going to go to YouTube just to show you that I don't have a channel here yet. If I did, I could click right here and it would say go to your channel. But instead, I'm going to click on not the top icon, that will just lead you to all your profiles on this browser. The second one, it's a little bit bigger, and you click on create channel, and it will default to naming it to whatever your email address is. Now keep in mind that you can change this name every 14 days, but for today, we're going to see if this is available. Dog Mom Logs. Let's see if it's available. It's not available. See, the reason I know that is because it has this W1H at the end. If it were available, it wouldn't have that. So just for the sake of continuing with this lesson, I'm going to put 2026. There, I got it. Okay, so if I want to keep this channel, I'll go ahead and rename it later. You can do that every 14 days. So create channel. There you go. It's as simple as that. If you want to learn how to customize your channel, I will have a video linked right at the end of this one. And remember, if this taught you anything at all, or if you have any questions, write to me in the comments because YouTube really does thrive on engagement. Your comments are the way that you can thank the creators that you're learning from here on YouTube. Again, I'm Donnie Mercado, and I'll see you in the next one. It's probably right there.